morning everyone. It is the 18th of July and Scott's just got up with the children and made me a coffee, so I'm going to go downstairs and have that. And then today we are off to Birmingham to see In the Night Garden live, so I'm going to bring you along with me and show you what we get up to. So we've been on the road about an hour and a half. Again, let's stop now to have something to eat. We've managed 2 rounds of the alphabet game, haven't we? What did we do the first time round?
Countries.
We did countries and then we did
Books.
Then we did books. Cool. Right, we're gonna have something to eat now.
Mummy,
Yes.
a girl was waving at Kelly.
The little girl was waving at Kelly. Passing the bag, Harriet. You're going to be sick. What have you got with you, Ernie? Who's that? You excited, Gulliver?
When you see it, you've got to look for a big white tent.
We've arrived. We can see it through the trees. Very excited children here.
Slowly make our way.
Gulliver's got his up-to-date CBeebies
Got to
on.
download our tickets now.
Have you got your special In the Night Garden top on? What's it got on it? So even Harriet's dressed for the occasion, aren't you?
Yeah.
What have you got on?
Dress and
Tomley Boo hairband. That's for you, Gulliver.
I love your cardigan. It's a beautiful colour.
There you go. What have you got, Gulliver?
Someone I know, safe and sweet. daisy, here I come. I'm the only upsy one. I'm the only daisy too. Ipsy upsy daisy do.
What are we doing now, guys?
Anything in there.
Yeah? Who are we going to meet? Are you going to show him your iggle piggle? Who's there? What do we have? You can say hello. You can give him a big cuddle if you want. There we go. He can cuddle you as well, Rupert. Harriet, you gonna have a cuddle? Yeah, you are. What have you got? There we go. We've seen In the Night Garden live. We have met Iggle Piggle, highlight of my life so far. And so now we're going to go and find something to eat. We did meet Iggle Piggle. Seem to be doing a lot of finding something to eat today. It's just whenever I give an update, it's because we're on our way to food or from food. But we're actually driving to Wales this evening, so it'll be about an hour and a half in the car. But we're staying in a little farm tonight. We just thought it might be a little bit nicer than kind of staying in the centre of Birmingham. And then we get to feed the animals in the morning. What's that, Harry?
First time abroad.
Harry, yeah, it's the first time Harriet's been in a different country. So I think the boys had a good time, and I think Harriet quite enjoyed it too, didn't you?
Yeah.
You enjoyed it, Scott?
Yes, I thought it was very good.
Yeah.
It was excellent.
Here we go then. It's lovely. This is our kitchen. So Harriet's going to sleep on the table.
What? Oh, very funny.
It's just exploring.
So we've arrived at our Airbnb, absolutely lovely farmhouse called The Dairy, which is just outside of Wales on Ross and Wye, like on the border. We didn't actually stop for food in the end, just because it got a little bit late, so we decided to just go to Asda, pick up some bits of breakfast, and then we've got some food here now, but it is like 8 o'clock at night, so routine completely out the window, but I've got alcohol tonight. So yeah, once the kids are in bed, I can relax a little bit. So we're gonna have a little late night wander around the farm, burn off some of the energy. Who's that? Hello, Mr. Goat. Say goodnight to the animals.
Good night, animals.
Come on then, let's go to bed.
Yeah, what do you see?
I just want to go.
Is it your bedtime? Is it? Got your pick? Good night. Love you. I think I'm gonna have to try and stay awake though.